Hello everyone, my name is Aneju and welcome to Digital Skills Power. In today's video, I'll be teaching you 10 digital skills that can make you become a millionaire in 1 year. You need to understand that having a digital skills is very important in this time and age. And when it comes to digital skills, a lot of people want to make money from it. But there's one thing that you need to understand. It takes time, one step at a time. And secondly, you need to understand that when you want to make money from digital skills, it has to do with consistency. You need to be consistent. You need to learn that skills. So one of the skills that I will talk about is video editing. Now, a lot of people want to create content. A lot of people want to post videos on social media, but they don't know how to edit those videos. So as an individual, as an organization, as a person, you can decide to go and learn how to edit videos. And once you've learned it, you begin to look for clients. You begin to reach out to people and tell them that, okay, this is what you do. And definitely, imagine you have 5 clients who might even be paying you above 200 in a month. Calculate it. In less than a month, you've been able to even make that 1 million. But first thing first, you need to learn the skills. You need to learn and you need to practice. Now, the second skills I'll be talking about is content creation. What I'm doing right now is creating content for you. So as a content creator, you can get money or make money from it from platforms like YouTube. If your channel got monetized, from your social media platform. So becoming a content creator and putting out valuable content is one thing that can actually earn you a whole lot of money. The third thing on my list is graphic design. Businesses want their flyers around, they want to design graphics, they want people to see what they are doing in represented in a graphic format. Learning graphic design is quite easy right now. I have a lot of videos on Canva, how you can use Canva to create this design. So you want to go out there now, you want to go and do research, you want to pay for a course, and you want to learn these skills because graphic design is one thing that can make you money. Now, the fourth on my list is article writing. People want you to write articles for their blog. As someone who owns a blog, you cannot be writing the articles every day for yourself. You need someone to help you out. So you can partner with someone and say, okay, this is how it's going to work. I'll provide the articles for you and I get paid for it. Or you can even write the articles yourself and you can post it on your own blog. And that brings me to the other skills I want to talk about, which is blogging. Bloggers make money like very, very well from Google AdSense. When they get paid after their blog is being monetized, they also make money from people who wants to advertise on their blog. So you want to start your own blog, you want to buy a domain, you want to do a hosting. But first, I will always talk about learning these things. Is one thing to start, is another thing to learn and understand the process of how these things work. So you want to look into this particular skills, which is blogging. And I believe that once you've learned and you practice, you need also to be consistent so that your blog will get approved by Google AdSense. The other on my list is digital marketing. Businesses want to get more customers. They need someone to advertise on their behalf. They need someone who understands how this social media platform works, how the internet works, how to research. And that is where the job of a digital marketer comes into play. So as a digital marketer, you can also build a brand for yourself or for a particular organization or a company. So learning the skills as a digital marketer on platforms like Udemy, on platforms like Coursera, you can see courses there. You can even start from free courses that you can learn and you can practice. And in less than 3 months, you are done, or even more than, let's say 1 month, you can be done and you start practicing. You start putting what you learned into practice. So the next on my list is consulting. Consulting means becoming an expert in a particular field or a topic. Now you can learn and practice, you can begin to research on a particular topic because you want to be a professional in that particular field, and you render the services to those who want someone who can provide solutions to any challenge that they are facing. So as a consultant, you are there and people pay you per hour. Some people charge as much as $1,000 per hour for consultancy services. So you can look into it. You start small, you reach out to people, and social media is one huge platform that have helped a lot of people. Visibility matters. As a consultant, you can start posting about a particular topic that you are good at. And when you start posting, people will know you. They definitely reach out to you. And there it is. You are good to go. You get paid for the topic or the knowledge that you have. The next on my list is AI learning. Now let's talk about AI. Now AI is here to stay. A whole lot of things you can do with AI learning. Now you go and learn these AI skills. There are different ways to learn. You can become an expert in pictures. There are different ways like pictures, creating pictures using bing.com. So these are things you can research on. Like I said, you can always, if you don't have money to start, you can start from somewhere. You can start from free resources that are available on the internet. That moves me to the next one, which is social media management. As a social media manager, you help people with their social media pages. A lot of people, a lot of businesses don't have time to manage their social media handles. You can position yourself that this is what you do and these are the service you offer. You can help them with their posting. You can help them reply to messages. You can help them do a lot of things online on their social media platform that they can't do. Now, this is something you do for yourself. So how about doing it for people and you get paid for it? So the next on my list is course creation. What is course creation? Course creation means you creating a course around a particular topic you know. That's putting it in a folder or into an ebook, into a video format. So you can create a course around a topic you know and you advertise it or you reach out to people that this is your course, but it has to do with marketing. You need to learn at least Facebook ads so that you can run your adverts for people to buy that course. So these are different digital skills that you can learn and you get paid and you become a millionaire in no time. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.